Hi guys, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the 2-Minute Topic series. Today's episode we're going to talk about mental health. I'm going to give you tips that you can do in 2 minutes. The first tip I'm going to give you is to talk about your feelings instead of building them up and up and up and trying to deal with it yourself. So anything that you've got on your mind, just talk to somebody about it and just have an open conversation, because then you'll just end up feeling so much better about yourself and that person will feel better because they've helped you with it. So the second one is to look after your body. That's doing fitness and having a good diet. Now with fitness, it doesn't have to be anything strenuous. You could just go for a quick walk, because that will release endorphins, which is the happy hormone, and then it'll just boost your energy levels. And again with diet, the body's getting the essential minerals and vitamins that it needs every day to function. So the third one is doing something that you enjoy doing, whether that being an activity like art or dancing. Every day shouldn't just be going to work, come home, go to bed, watch TV, because that really isn't good for your mental health. You need to find something that you really enjoy doing, because when you do something that you enjoy, it releases stress from your body and your whole body and your mind will just end up being happier. So just find something that you enjoy doing and just make it a part of your daily or weekly routine. Now the next one is nature. So go for a walk in nature, go to the forest, look at the scenery, take in the smells, taking some deep breaths, and just feel the wind on your face. So next time that you just feel down and you don't know what to do, find the nearest bit of nature that you've got around your house. Sit on the grass or on a bench and just take in the world from where you're seeing it. So the next one is relaxation, whether you could do it in the morning or at night time. A good tip is just to listen to some meditation every single day, because then that'll start retraining your mind into a more relaxed and productive one. You could start doing yoga, because that's really good for your body and it does really relax you, because you're taking in deep breaths, you're inhaling and exhaling at the correct time whilst doing some poses. So if you just want to just sit there and just relax, then listen to some guided meditation, because that'll just help you to relax your mind and your body. The last one is good quality sleep. Sleep is so important. Go to bed early, make sure that you turn all the screens off, your phone, your laptop, your TV. So getting at least 8 hours every single day is really important for your body and mind to function properly every single day. So I hope you enjoyed my first episode of 2-Minute Topics. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you very soon with another video.